Hi, today I want to show you an example of the so-called connective tissue type in iridology. This type's primary nurture points, as you might guess, is the connective tissue, the muscles, and the skeleton. When examining the iris of this type, you'll notice a very open and irregular structure with multiple lacuna of different sizes, like we can see here, like a small one, for example, or a bigger one. The lacuna indicate a decreased oxygen supply to the cells, which can lead to reduced metabolic function. And this over time results in an accumulation of waste in the body, especially in the related areas where the lacuna show up. And the main challenge for these individuals is that their connective tissue is less resilient, making it more susceptible to damage. Children with this type often have a thin and semi-transparent skin, giving them a slightly mature appearance. They are more prone to growing pains during their growth spurts, and they have a higher likelihood of experiencing fractures. As adults, this connective tissue weakness can impact the bowel, glands, and even the nerve supply. They might face issues like hernias, varicose veins, joint problems, and even spinal complaints like scoliosis. And all of these can contribute to a poor posture. In regards of their diet, this type should absolutely avoid fried foods, fast foods, refined, and all processed foods to their best ability, because these foods are not really nourishing our cells, and in turn they're very acidic and thus harmful to the body and weaken the connective tissue even more. Adopting a diet around whole foods, especially fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, will be a game changer for them, as they provide plenty easy to metabolize nutrients and structured water to nourish and hydrate their cells properly. Now let's talk about their personality tendencies. These individuals are usually sensitive, warm-hearted, spontaneous, and very tolerant. They have a natural ability to love and be empathetic due to their own vulnerability. Their ability to love people for who they are and their great communication skills often attracts people towards them. And they're usually attracted to art, nature, music, and social gatherings. All of these attributes make them great coaches, kindergartners, or aged care assistants. That's it for today's introduction into the connective tissue type, and if you're interested in more insights like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. And if you're interested in learning more about your own irises and how they can help you to live a healthier and happier life, then check out my iridology services at fruitfulsolution.com.